So we have to come in and sit time.
You can finally see how much I love fidget toys.
Help! Help! Somebody! Help! Run while you still can. Annabelle, we need to go away.
Let's go. Maisie, I'm really tired. Let's go see if the little boy over there can help.
Hey, boy, come here.
Yeah, boy.
Hi, ladies, what do you need? Have you heard about the fidget toy zombie?
Yes? Well, one's looking for us and we need your help to fight it off.
I'm in. Hey, sister, do you want to help fight off the zombie apocalypse? Sure. What's that sound? I think it's stomping. The fidget toys found us!
Run!
Run downstairs!
Guys, it looks like a gun. Maybe we could shoot the fidget toy zombie and defeat it once and for all. Ooh, four, even better! Guys, looks like it's only me. Wait, you killed her? Guys, I guess that means that the war's over.
You're the best.
I don't know what's coming. Let me do it.
Did it not say the wall? Run! Oh, you see? I can't say it.
Oh. Can we do it again? Because everybody was drinking and Maisie yelled.
Yeah.
Oh, sorry. Stop kicking me!